Hi, today in front of me Infinix Note 12 2023, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first open the control panel and just find here the torch icon. Click once on this icon and now we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, just click on the torch icon once again and that's it. And if you want to just change your flashlight from the back one to the front one, you should hold for a while this icon and select back, front, or 360 degrees, so to use back and front flashlights together. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.